Now to new developments in the John Goodman case. On the day the Wellington polo mogul was supposed to learn whether he'd spend up to 30 years in prison, the juror at the center of the latest allegation of misconduct is being brought back into the courtroom for more questioning. This as speculation grows that John Goodman may ultimately get a new trial. News Channel 5's Alex Sands is here with what could be a big day for the defense. Alex?
And this may be, Michael, what defense attorneys have been hoping for weeks. They say this latest allegation is perhaps the most egregious yet, and the judge is listening, calling a single juror back into the courtroom this Friday to answer questions about what he says he did the night before the verdict. Turns, twists, and now this. Second thoughts from juror Dennis DeMartin.
Did you make a mistake, though?
I did. I guess that's what it comes down to. But I feel that I did, in my heart, I did the right thing because I said there's no fact in my mind that he was guilty, but I felt he was under the influence and all confused, and at least I knew in my heart that that's what I felt it was.
He says John Goodman is guilty of DUI manslaughter. But his honesty, doing a drinking experiment the night before the verdict, it may have opened the door for a new trial. This Friday, he's being summoned back to court to answer new allegations of jury misconduct.
It's not a surprise that the court granted further interview of Dennis DeMartin. He made these statements both on air as well as in his book that he actually conducted a drinking experiment the night before he entered into deliberations and utilized this information in his deliberations, regardless of whether he shared this with other jurors.
What he did was this: drink several drinks to see their effects. Goodman said he'd had several drinks before the accident. It's an experiment defense attorneys say is clear proof of jury misconduct. So why not call him into court today?
Well, I think it's interesting that that would not be happening, that the juror questioning would not occur today or tomorrow or even Thursday. I think it's significant, and it may be telling as to which direction the court may go with this.
And still, what happens Friday is up in the air. Prosecutors say any drinking he did is more like a life experience, not misconduct. If the judge finds there was misconduct, he could call for a new trial. If the sentencing goes on as scheduled, John Goodman could find out this Friday if he'll spend the next 30 years in prison. Alex Sands, WPTV News Channel 5.